Today I am going to unbox the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Bass Edition, the bass blue color earphones. So first we'll check out the features. It says to have bass boost, so it has a fast charging. You can see charge for 10 minutes, enjoy for 10 hours, 17 hours of battery life, clear stable calls, water and sweat resistance and magnetic control. तो चलिए अनबॉक्स करते हैं. Opens from here. Yes. Keeping this aside, so let's open this out. So under this we'll get an accessories toolkit. Open this up. What we have here. Red cable club card. What else have we got here? Some extra earbuds. What else have we got here? Okay, it's an instruction manual, safety and warranty card, and an instruction manual. Great. And this charging cable. So let's keep those things aside. And now bringing the earphones. So here we go. This is the beautiful looking bass blue edition, the OnePlus bass blue earphones with bass blue color. Just click this one. There we go. All right. So as you can see, like that. So yes, on the left hand side what we get is the charging port, a multifunction button, maybe a start and stop button, that is, and the volume up and volume down button with a microphone. Also it says to have magnetic control, so whenever it is attached, that means that whenever it is attached, the music will stop playing, and whenever it is unattached, it will get connected and the music will start play. So this is basically the start and stop action through this magnetic function, okay, through this magnets, earbuds magnets. So let's test it out. Alright, so I've done the initial pairing of this Bluetooth with my Poco X2, and I've been using it for quite a few days now. So this magnetic burst which I told you before, this is actually the connect and disconnect function happening here. This is a magnetic control. So as I removed it, you can see instantly it is connected with my, for the quietness a bit, if camera is able to catch or not. Yes, so as you can see here, OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z has been connected. Just a second. Okay, so the magnetic burst has switched off again. So as I remove it, should automatically get connected now. Yes, you can see battery is at 100% and it is active. Okay, so if I go to mode settings now, what you will see is it states here SRC. If I go to mode here, full console audio R, and you have a specific option to turn on, that is AAC, provide a high quality audio experience. Okay, so now the connection has been made as AAC and the connection is made. If I turn this off, it will become SBC again. So I'm not to be honest, I'm not sure what this thing is, the difference between SBC and AAC. So if anybody knows about it, please notify me in the comment section below. Okay, so let's talk about the build quality a bit. So yeah, the build quality looks premium. It has a premium rubberish feeling over here with a good premium plastic feeling, so it feels premium. And again, the ports have snapped together again. As I was saying before, this middle button is a multifunction button, as I said before, but actually it is. So it is play pause button. This bird's magnetic control is responsible for connecting the bird to cell phone or your laptop. So that is the purpose of this magnetic control. And also this is the play pause button. So once you tap, it will play or pause. If you tap it double, it will be next song. If you tap it 3 times continuously, it will be previous song. And if you keep it tapped for 2 seconds, and it will open your assistant, whether it is a Google Assistant or your Siri. Alright, I'm playing a song in this earphone with my Poco X2. So the sound quality is very good, and also the bass in this is way good than the OnePlus Bullets, the normal one, not the wireless Z bass edition, the normal edition one. So the call quality is also very good. I have made some few calls with this with my friends, and I have not seen any complaint as so far. Also, but in laptop, actually, when you connect it, so it gives a very good sound quality there. Also the bass is really good for that also, and connectivity is also instant with laptops. Again, when I am going for a meeting in Google Meet or say Teams, so call quality is very good there also. I have not got any such complaints so far. So normally this is a very good earphone in a 2K price, I will say. And also the range is way good in this one. It says to have a 10 meter of range, and it's really proves. Like I'm in my room now, so when I go my backyard, and then also the range stays. So that is approximately 10 meter, we can expect that. Battery life is very good. It claims about around 18 hours if I'm not wrong, and the battery life stays for as long as that, but that depends on how long you see. Like continuous usage may reduce the battery, may consume more battery, but normally if it is a break usage, like sometimes you're playing music for traveling and all those purpose for like about 9 hours and all, then it's okay, it's perfect. And also, like not always you're listening to music, then it's perfect. It does have fast charging. So the charging, it claims like 10 minutes will get approximately a 1 hour of charge. That is very true. So it is a fast charge, like around 30 to 45 minutes the battery gets full charge in this one. Again, I won't prefer using the 23 watt or 30 watt power bricks, as I'm not sure, because after all this is a earphone, it has a small mAh of battery. So I would not prefer using that. Use a normal charging brick that you get like 18 watt, I think 5-10 watts of charging brick that normal phones have. So that must be enough. I think old phones you might have the charging bricks. So with that said, I think this earphone is very much appropriate for a 2K price range with a perfect bass and good sound quality and call quality. You can go for this one. So with that said, this is a nice earphone to invest at 2K price range, and please like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you around. Bye bye.